In this lesson, we're going to use Bootstrap in our React application. What we're going to do is to apply Bootstrap UI framework and use React Bootstrap package to create professional header and layout. To get the source code of this lesson, go to the repository and in the commit section for video 10, you can find all changes that we have made in this lesson. If you are ready, let's get to code. Here is the plan to add Bootstrap UI framework to our React application. Bootstrap is the most popular framework to build UI in web applications. We're not going to use Bootstrap directly in our project, but we are going to use React Bootstrap, which convert Bootstrap CSS classes to React component and make it more easier for us to use it in our React application. Let us start by clicking on Get Started and following the instruction here. First step is installing React Bootstrap and Bootstrap. Copy this line. For yours, the Bootstrap version may be higher, that's okay. And go to VS Code. Open a new terminal, go to front-end folder, and then paste it here. Press enter to install React Bootstrap and Bootstrap. The next step is updating app.js. What we're gonna do is to use the layout and components from React Bootstrap. Go to the app.js, inside frontend src open app.js, and in the header section, define navbar. Navbar is a component from Bootstrap that we're gonna use it to create a navbar in the header. Set the background of navbar to dark and variant to dark too. So we're gonna have a dark background. Close the navbar and inside that define a container. Container is another component from React Bootstrap that create a container to put items next to each other in a row. After that, we are going to show Amazon link. Because it's a brand link, I'm gonna use this component, navbar.brand, and put Amazon inside that. Instead of link, I'm going to use link container. Link container. And move the navbar brand inside link container like this. Link container is coming from another package that I will install later. And for link container, which is very similar to link, I need to set to. And it redirects user to the home screen. Let's get rid of this link. So what we did is to convert our simple header to a Bootstrap header. It's time to import navbar and install link container package. Here, import navbar from React Bootstrap /navbar. That's the way to import stuff from navbar. Let's duplicate it for container, copy container, and paste it here. For link container, I need to install another package. The name of this package is React Router Bootstrap. Open your terminal, and while you are in frontend folder, npm install React Router Bootstrap. By using this package, we can link using React Router in Bootstrap components. Great, let's import it. It's a named import, so we need to put it inside curly brackets, link container from React Router Bootstrap. Let's get rid of header style. Go to index.css and get rid of styles of header. Save it and check the result. As you see, there is no change in the UI because we didn't import Bootstrap in index.js. Open index.js and right before index.css, import bootstrap /destination css/bootstrap.min.css. Save the file and let's check the result. Beautiful. We created a header using Bootstrap. It's a dark header and the Amazon link is white. Great. Let's go for the main content. Like what we did for the header, in the main content, define a container, cut the closing, and move it right after routes. Save it. And there we are. They are aligned like this. So by using container, the width of the screen will be decreased like this. As a last part of this lesson, I'm going to add footer to the project. After the main, create a footer section, and inside that, create a div and set all rights reserved. Save it, and there we are. We are going to make it center aligned. So here it's time to use the first class from React Bootstrap. The class that I'm gonna use is text-center. Save it and check the result. As you see, it's center aligned. For product details, all right reserved is here. I'm going to push it down to the end of the page. To do that, we need to add flex style to the parent component inside app.js. Let's go to app.js, find the parent div, and set the class name to display flex. It's a class from React Bootstrap, and set the flex direction to flex column. Also, we need to set the minimum height of this div to 100 VH, viewport height. So set a class named site container. For this div, copy the class name, go to index.css, and right after body, define this class and set mean height to 100 VH. For main element, there is no need to set padding and only set flex to 1 to occupy the space between header and footer. By having this change, let's check the result. This time all right reserved is stick to button and the main content occupy the whole screen. If I go to the home page, refresh, the same result is here. Great. We successfully implemented React Bootstrap in our React application. We created a header and we divided the screen in 3 sections: header, main, and footer. And footer is a stick to button using display flex from React Bootstrap. Let's review what we did in this lesson. In package.json, we installed 3 packages: Bootstrap, React Bootstrap, and React Router Bootstrap. In app.js, we changed the simple header to a beautiful nav bar from React Bootstrap. In index.css, we removed all style for header and main and replaced them with site container to create a full height screen and set the main element to flex 1 to occupy the whole screen. In index.js, we imported Bootstrap CSS from Bootstrap component. That's it about this lesson. Until next lesson, bye-bye.